Hey family, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, we are going to learn about how to cancel Remini subscription in iPhone. First of all, open your mobile and go to the settings. Now you need to click on your Apple ID, and if you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Now as we can see here is the option of the subscription, so we need to select it. And friends, I am requesting to you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now you can see here your all active subscriptions and inactive subscriptions. So in the active section we can see here Remini, so we need to click on this. Now you can see here Remini, so we need to click on it. So here is the option of the cancel subscription, so we need to click on the cancel, and they will ask you to confirm it, so you need to click on the confirm and your subscription will be cancelled. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching Real Education. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.